it's Lala here. And today I'll be teaching you how to make DIY poop unicorn slime. Unicorn poop slime. And for further ado, let's get started. The materials you'll be needing are Elmer's glue, a contact solution, or Adderall, a container, glitter. Oh, look at that glitter. Paint, a mixing tool for an expired dum-dum, and baking soda, which I don't have to show you, so you're just gonna have to imagine it right here. Just imagine it right here. Imagine baking soda right there. Just imagine it, okay? Imagine it. The thing you wanna do, open your container, take your Elmer's glue, and pour a little tiny bit of glue. Ooh, a lot, but you know, that's how much I put. Now take your paint, and you just want to add as much paint as you want. Once you're finished with that, add a couple drops of baking soda, which I'm gonna go get right now. What am I doing? I'm layering, I'm sorry. This is how much bacon, not bacon, I meant baking soda I put. And now you just want to mix. Like baking cookies or like cake. Okay, once you're finished with that. I just did nothing. That's where the unicorn poop comes from. As you can see, I got it all over me, but that's okay because right now I'm gonna add some contact lens solution. Couple drops. And stir it again like you're baking more cookies. And it should be forming slime. Now you have slime. You want to repeat these steps 3 more times, except with different colors. So I'm just gonna do that. Oh, the weather outside is nice. But you realize you look feisty. Since there's no place to go, let it rain, rain, rain. When you finally hug you tight and just sing along in the snow. As long as you hold me. Oh no, okay. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Don't judge my singing.
Are you done with your homework?
Yeah. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. So basically you just want to make a pink slime, blue slime, and a teal slime. Then you just want to get a surface and carefully mix all the slimes together. Carefully, okay? Don't want to mess this part up. It's to be perfect. Wow, it looks beautiful. Or once you're finished making your slime, you just want to add some glitter. Glitter, glitter, glitter. So this is what the final product looks like. I think it looks beautiful, like my face. But anyways, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe. We're trying to reach 350 plus Ollie Puppies. Bye, guys.